Hi everyone, welcome to How To. Today I'm going to walk you through on how to set up a live and dynamic wallpaper for your Windows 10. So let's get started. First off, we will be setting up a live wallpaper for the Windows 10. What we're going to do is to install an application called Lively Wallpaper. So we're going to open our browser here, and from your browser you can just search for Lively Wallpaper, and you can just click the link for Microsoft. You will be routed to Microsoft website, and from here you can just click on this get button. Once you click on that, the Microsoft App Store from your Windows computer will automatically open for you. So let's just wait to load. There you go. So in my end, I do have an option here to launch the application, since the application is already installed in my computer. But if you haven't installed it yet, this option should be an install option for you. So you just click on that and the installation process will begin. And once the installation process is completed, the application will automatically launch on your computer. So let me just open the Lively Wallpaper here. Okay, so once the application is already installed on your computer, an icon will be available on this part of the Windows or on your desktop on the upper left or right hand side corner, or on your taskbar basically. Double click to open that. So yep, there you go. So this is the UI of the application. So on the upper left hand side of the window, you do have four options here. So the first option is the library, where you can see all the live wallpaper available for you. And the second option is the plus icon. Well, basically it is an option for you to add a live wallpaper if you do have a live wallpaper available, or if you downloaded live wallpaper online, you can just click on browse menu, browse option, and you can just locate the live wallpaper that you've downloaded in your computer. So the next option is help. Basically it's straightforward if you need help on how to use this application. And the last option would be the menu. No, sorry, it's about icon. Basically it tells you more about the application itself. On the lower part of the panel, you will see the settings here. So if you would like to change something on the application, you can just click on the settings. So let's try this live wallpaper now. Okay, so let's try this one out. Fluids version 2. Just double click on that to apply, and let's minimize the window. There we go. Alright, so the good thing about this live wallpaper is that there are live wallpapers that are very interactive. So like this one, uh, as you can see, it follows through where my mouse is pointing at. Alright, so let's try another live wallpaper here. Okay, let's try out this matrix. Rain customizable, sorry. There you go. It's pretty cool as well. Let's try another one here. Jellyfish wallpaper. There you go. I like this one. Okay, it's also interactive. You can change the direction of the jellyfish. It's pretty cool. And actually I've already added my own live wallpaper, which I've downloaded online. Basically this is my intro video on my YouTube channel. So let's try that one out. Okay, yep, there you go. Okay, so there's when you click on this icon of the live wallpaper on the app drawer and you right click on it, you will also display some options here. So you do have open live wallpaper or close wallpapers if you want to stop this application. Also you do have an option to pause the wallpapers. Let me try that one out. There you go. So when you click on that option, basically the wallpaper will go to static mode, and you can just click that again if you want to play the live wallpaper again. And you do have customized wallpaper. If you're creative, you can also create your own live wallpaper and just add it on the application itself. And you do have other options here to support, report bug, and exit the application completely if you don't want to use it. Alright, so this is really a pretty cool application here. So right now we're gonna move on how you can set up a dynamic wallpaper on your Windows 10. Alright, so on this next tutorial, we'll be installing a dynamic wallpaper for Windows 10. So same procedure with installing the lively wallpaper or live wallpaper on your desktop or Windows 10. You just have to open your browser, and from your browser you can just search for Win Dynamic Desktop and choose the first link for Microsoft, and you will be routed to Microsoft Store. And right after that, all you have to do is to click this blue button, and you will be routed to the Microsoft Store, that is App Store, which basically install on your computer as well. So yeah, right after that, all you have to do is to install this application. So what I have here is the launch option, since the application is already installed in my computer. So once the dynamic desktop is downloaded and installed on your computer, all you have to do is to launch the application. Alright, so once you launch the application, so this is what you can see here. So what we have here is that on the upper left or on the left side panel of the application, you will see the wallpaper, basically the options or the wallpaper that is available currently on this application. And you can also import other dynamic wallpapers online. Just hit this import button, or you can also get more themes online. So once you click on that, you will be routed to the dynamic desktop themes website, where there are actually a lot of options for free wallpapers, but also there are paid ones as well on the lower part of the page. So you can download these dynamic wallpaper on your computer, and you can just import that downloaded file to the desktop dynamic wallpaper application. So let's try this one out. So if you click on that, there will be a preview on how the wallpaper will look like during the sunrise, day, sunset, and also night. So this is actually pretty cool. I like this one personally. Yep, same one. You can see the preview and how the wallpaper will look like at the different times during the day. So let's try one out. So let's try this one, Catalina, and we will apply this one. Okay, this is how will it look like. So I didn't have all day to wait for the sunset. What I will be doing is that I'll be going to my settings and just manually set the time from the settings. So let's try this one out. Let's change this one to PM and see how the wallpaper will look like. There we go. And let's put it back to AM again. There you are. So let's try another one here. So let's try this one. Okay, let's just check here. So let's try this one, the Victor style wallpaper, and see how will it look like on your desktop. Okay, so yeah, there you go. Let's try to change the time as well. PM change. Yep, there you go. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. So today we learned on how to set up a live and dynamic wallpaper on Windows 10. So please consider to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.